welcome to my channel. And today is Saturday and it's quite refreshing morning. So let's solve some problem in Saturday morning. Okay, so now here it is 6:30. So it's 6:30 now, and I'm going to solve some problem of lead code. The question number is 1 to 5 valid palindrome. Okay, so first we need to understand what is palindrome. All right, so palindrome is nothing but a sequence or a phrase or a word that reads the same as from backward or same as from forward. Yep, if you say madam, if you're gonna read madam from right, let's read it from right. You're gonna read madam as M-A-D-A-M, madam. If you're gonna read madam from left, you're gonna read the same. So madam is palindrome. In other way, you can say, if you're gonna reverse any string or sentence, if you're going to give the same string, that string is palindrome. If you say mom, mom is the best word in this world. Yeah, if you reverse mom, you're going to get the same string. Okay, both the way is fine. All right, so mom is palindrome, madam is palindrome. Dad is also palindrome. Brother is not a palindrome. Let's see, brother is a palindrome or not. Brother. Okay, the last letter is R, the first letter is B. Obviously it's not palindrome, it's not matching. If you're gonna read brother from right, how are you gonna read? Oh, I can't read it. Okay, now moving to read the question. Given a string S, determine if it is palindrome considering only alphanumeric characters and ignoring cases. Okay, so we have to consider only alphanumeric characters and we have to ignore other cases like special characters in it. I can see the example. If you see the example, S equal to a man, comma, a plane, comma, a canal, colon, Panama. So there are special characters in this string. So what we have to do is we have to trim this string. Yep, by using a regular expression. All right, let's just trim this. So okay, let me maximize the browser. S equal to S dot replace. So the regular expression are pretty simple. We have to use the backward slash. Yeah, now middle bracket, up arrow, A to Z. Now capital A to Z, capital A to Z, from 0 to 9. Yep, backward slash, again G, comma, double quotes. All right, now we got this. Now make it as a lowercase, to lowercase. Now I will tell you why I'm making it as lowercase, because the first letter is A and the last letter is lower caps A, small a. So while you compare, if A equal to A, it's gonna return false. It's not equal because this capital A is not equal to lower caps A. Yeah, that's what I have made my string as lower caps. All right, now let's start comparing if the string is palindrome or not. Yep, so we'll do this via, okay, let's do this. Say let left index start comparing from 0 to last, the right index. The right index is going to be S dot length minus 1. All right, so if the string is I love India, so my comparison is going with I, which is at 0 element, with the last element present in the string, which is A. Yeah, the comparison is going to be like this. I will compare with A, then the second element, which is L, is going to compare with the second last element, which is I. Yeah, so let's compare this. All right, say while left index less than right index. Yep, say if string of left index not equal to string of the right index, which is the last character in the string. If it is not equal, if the first element is not equal to the last element, simply return false. Yeah, now increase the left index, which starts from 0, and decrease the right index, which start from the length. Yep, so this way we are going to have our comparison. If all matching, return true. You got it, right? Let me again show it to you. Say Bollywood. Yep, so it's gonna compare with 0 element to the last element, B with D. B is not equal to D, return false. Okay, let's compare another string, which is madam. Yep, madam. So I've already made is the string as lowercase, it's gonna come as madam. Now the first letter in madam is M, and the last letter of madam is M. So M equal to M, cool. A is equal to A, again it's matching. D is the middle letter, so obviously it's gonna same for if you read it from right or you read it from left. Yeah, so it's palindrome. I hope you understood the solution. Yep, now let's run the code. 1 2 3, wrong answer. Why? Where did I do a mistake? Return true, return false. Alright, I'm sorry, here I don't know why I'm returning false. Okay, I need to comment this. Let's clear the junk. Run code. Alright, so true. Now run the next text case, which is race a car. Let's see if race a car is palindrome. Race a car is not palindrome, false. Alright, let's submit this problem. Brother, I have submitted all the test cases. Let's submit it. Let's see if it's accepted or not accepting. So it's accepted. 88 millisecond faster than 88.53 of JavaScript. So guys, let's subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the video and hit on the like icon. Yep.